Ever walked into your bedroom and felt the chills sneak in despite turning up the heat? Today, I'm thrilled to share the top 5 compact electric heaters that bring cozy, efficient warmth to your space. Stay tuned for my honest reviews, and if you find a favorite, grab it from the links in the description below. At number 5 is Rosekm Ceramic 1500 Watt. Here's something surprising. Even a heater with a tiny footprint can deliver as much warmth as much bulkier models. The Rosekm 1500 Watt ceramic heater ticks that box. Compact, powerful, and built for bedrooms. We only recommend what's truly worth it, and after being tested for real-world comfort, this one makes a strong case. We talk often about the top 5 compact electric heater for bedroom picks, and this stands out thanks to its fast warm-up. Thanks to advanced ceramic tech, its 3 heat levels and crucial safety features like tip-over and overheat protection. On the flip side, if you're heating a large living room, this may fall short compared to tower-style models in our list. At around $21.99, it offers peace of mind, smart warmth, and a safe nocturnal zone for your bedroom. So yes, I confidently recommend it for small to mid-sized rooms. At number 4 is KIDEE Mini Desk. Here's a striking truth. A heater the size of a small book can instantly transform your cold corner into a cozy hideaway. The KIDEE Mini Desk heater, priced at $19.94, slots neatly into the top 5 compact electric heater for bedroom rate, and after real-world comfort testing, it earns its place. With PTC ceramic tech for rapid warmth in seconds, ultra-quiet operation, and 2 heat modes, it solves the common struggle of a chilly bedroom without the bulk of standard heaters. Compared to the larger models in our list, this one trades raw power for nimble footprint and safer bedside use. Great for desks or dorms, though less suited to large open rooms. We recommend only what genuinely delivers, and this does, delivering relief, warm fuzzies, and smart choice peace of mind. If you need compact, effective warmth, go for it. If you're heating a big space, consider stepping up instead. On number 3 is Lasko Ellipse Ceramic Tabletop. Here's a bold fact. A heater with wide oscillation can wrap your entire bedroom in warmth, not just toast your toes. Meet the Lasko Ellipse Ceramic Tabletop Heater, 1500 Watt, around $69.99. Built for the top 5 compact electric heater for bedroom lineup, it offers more than small space warmth. It spreads heat across 120 degrees thanks to a wide grill and oscillation, smoothing out cold spots often found in other compact heaters. It runs quietly, 40 dB, has a full remote, auto echo mode to save energy, and serious safety features like child lock, tip-over protection, and cool touch housing. Compared to ultra-mini heaters that fit only a desk corner, this one elevates your whole sleep zone. On the flip side, it's pricier and a bit larger, so if you're heating a tiny dorm room, you might pick a simpler model. In my view, if your bedroom is medium or bigger and you value smart heat and peace of mind, this is absolutely worth it. At number 2 is AirChoice 700 Watt Radiator. Here's a bold truth. You don't need a roaring furnace to wake up warm and cozy in your bedroom. The AirChoice 700 Watt oil-filled radiator, listed around $44.99, is a clever member of our top 5 compact electric heater for bedroom lineup, and it brings serious comfort. With a quiet, fan-free oil circulation design, it delivers steady, soft warmth, rated for rooms up to 120 square feet. Compared to high-wattage ceramic heaters in our list that may dominate the space, this one trades brute power for whisper-quiet performance. An energy-friendly operation, perfect for light sleepers. The safety shutoff and slim footprint give you relief and peace of mind. On the flip side, 700 watt means it won't fight an open living area or blast heat instantly. If your bedroom is compact, this is a smart, effective choice. For large rooms, pick a stronger unit instead. Now moving to the last one is Gaiatop Mini 500 Watt. Here's a bold truth. You don't always need a beast of a heater to stay warm. The Gaiatop Mini 500 Watt space heater, priced around $15.99, is a strong contender for our top 5 compact electric heater for bedroom lineup. With a tiny footprint and PTC ceramic technology that promises fast warm-up in seconds, it solves the chill-in-the-bedroom problem without taking over your space. Compared to higher wattage units in the list, this one trades raw power for portability and quiet operation, ideal for dorms, under-desk use, or small sleeping spaces, though less suited for large rooms. Safety features like tip-over and overheat protection add peace of mind. On the flip side, 500 watt means it won't dominate a large open area. If your space is compact and you want effective low-cost warmth, this is a smart pick. If you're heating a bigger room, step up accordingly. I picked the Rosekm 1500-watt ceramic heater as the winner because it offers top-tier output in a truly compact and bedroom-friendly form. With its advanced ceramic heat technology, it warms fast and uses clever safety features like tip-over and overheat protection. Among the top 5 compact electric heater for bedroom runners, it delivers serious warmth without being bulky, and that balance of power, comfort, and safety makes it worth your buy. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 compact electric heater for bedroom. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.